completes not one, but two consecutive hammerhead turnarounds. Another inverted recovery takes Sean away from the crowd and then pushing skyward once again with a very small forward flip. And then as Sean sets up, we are going to prepare to reach him live and in the cockpit. Shawnee Tucker, are you with us? Challenger 3. Well, at this time, I'd like to recommend that you get on your and get your cameras ready. Direct your attention to the runway in front of you, and you will notice that there are 3 sets of poles out there. Sean now dives down to 5 feet above the runway, 250 as he flies underneath ribbon number 1. Now, around in the avalanche, another forward flip, and in the recovery, Sean is now looking to find that second ribbon. Once in sight, he flies over the top of it. 240 miles an hour right about now. Sean begins to pull to the vertical, tunnels his aircraft skyward, pushes over the top, and watch closely as he shows you the world's smallest insect. We call this free, and that he is now ready to make an attempt at slicing all 3 of those ribbons in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. Sean is now going to convert all of that altitude back into airspeed, stopping this aircraft 18 feet above the ground, 215 miles an hour through ribbon number 1. Left 930. Complete and integrated systems from Oracle. Hardware and software engineered to work together. Sean now converting that altitude again to that much needed airspeed or energy. Diving back to Air Show Center. Watch for the nose to pitch up suddenly. Level turn. No bank at all in this turn, using a massive amount of rudder. This is in fact our very first performance weekend of the 2013 air show season. We'll be flying from now until the 1st of November at approximately 20 events all across North America in front of almost 6 million air show fans. And now, Sean D, are you with us? Sean brings it right forward. He's going to roll his way around. And then return to show center to show you this sequence. Named in honor of the awesome power and capabilities demonstrated by the United States Marine Corps AV-8B Harrier. Closely as Sean slows this aircraft down, and then, while using only 70% of his available horsepower, stands it on its tail and brings it to a hover in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, showing you why he is considered to be one of the very best of all time. Put your hands together one final time. Challenger 3. Sean is the former winner of the United States National Advanced Aerobatic Championship Trophy. In addition, Sean is the first performer to ever win both the Bill Barber Award for Air Show Showmanship and the Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship Award in the same year. A few years ago, Sean was inducted into the San Diego Aerospace Museum Hall of Fame that year, along with the members of the United States Navy and Marine Corps Blue Angels. And in 2008, Sean received the highest honor that can be given to an aviator in the United States. That is membership